Before it is metal, it is a dream, a violent, aggressive line on a piece of paper. This is sculpture, not manufacturing. We remove everything that isn't a Ferrari. The engine block begins as liquid fire, aluminum alloy heated to the melting point of patience. Steel is for the past. Carbon fiber is the fabric of speed. 5 times stronger than steel, yet lighter than aluminum. Rosso Corsa, it's not just a pigment, it is a proprietary chemical formula, guarded like a state secret. Layers upon layers are applied, not to cover the metal, but to celebrate its shape. Tolerances are measured in microns. If a human hair fits in the gap, the engine is rejected. 1 Newton meter too loose, it fails. 1 Newton meter too tight, it breaks. Precision is binary. Power is nothing without control. These ceramics can stop a missile. Only the finest hides make the cut, specifically from cows raised in fields with no barbed wire. The stitching is done by hand-guided machines. It takes years to master the rhythm. Because of 200 miles per hour, even a loose thread is a distraction you cannot afford. The Manettino, a switch that changes the car's personality from aggressive to psychotic. We don't hide the engine under plastic covers. We put it in a display case. The wind tunnel is the final judge. The air doesn't care about your brand heritage. It only respects physics. And we have negotiated a truce with the atmosphere, the cavallino rampante, a symbol worn by pilots, dreamers, and legends. It awakens, not with a roar, but with a gaze. 1 button. That is all that stands between silence and chaos. The Ferrari Daytona SP3. It is not a car you need. It is a car you desire, and desire is the most expensive fuel in the world.
Subscribe to not miss new secrets.